All right, the Diamond Boys are back. Sir. If y'all read the title, y'all know what we doing. We finally got this new nuke. So I pre-ordered it like 7 weeks. Kept on texting dude. He said it will be here end of November. And we got it like mid-December. So I'm still mad about Stinger Nuke about that. But we about to open it up. Feel me? See how this is. Okay. Damn, with the packaging, I see you Stinger Nuke. Alright. Came with a little bag.
Hey, bring the camera a little closer.
Yeah, get that in. Here's the new Stinger Nuke. Dang, this boy is fresh. I'm not gonna cap, this is unloaded. When they said it's unloaded, it is unloaded. Dang, this body's about to hit bombs. Here, Stinger Nuke. Y'all see it? Let's go. Oh! Oh yeah. Oh, that felt good. Oh yeah. That boy. There it is. That's one. There it is. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Get out, ball. Atta boy. Oh!
Okay, bye.